Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a brand new 2024 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. As you'll see in the photos, the boat has the Sea Ray blue hull sides. For power, we've optioned the boat with the twin 250 Mercury's V8s in white, and that gives you the joystick piloting. One of the really cool features about this boat is the optional aft seating package we put on here, which is your aft-facing loungers. Gives the boat a really unique look and feel. As you walk through into the cockpit of the boat, you'll see we've got the gray SeaDek matting across the swim platform and all the way through the cockpit. Another great feature about this boat being an outboard is the storage space that you get underneath here. Great for beach chairs, all your gear bags, towel bags. That's hydraulic assisted. This boat does have the stone interior, which is the light gray with the darker gray trim. You have a nice big bimini top integrated into your white powder coat sports arch. Making our way forward, you have a really versatile seating configuration with your adjustable loungers, both at the helm seat and on the companion side. You have a flip-up bolster on each side for added height. The Simrad digital dash, Fusion stereo. As I'd mentioned earlier, you do get the joystick piloting for ease of docking. You also get the skyhook feature and autopilot built into it. Digital throttle and shift here at the helm. On the port side, you have a really nicely finished head compartment, vacuum flush head with holding tank, freshwater sink. Making our way up to the bow of the boat, you have two full-length loungers with flip-down armrests. Place to set up a bow table, and you also have a cockpit table option. And the boat is outfitted with the windlass anchor. That's a real quick look at our 2024 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.